ready to go to the dentist.
Huh?
Are you going to dentist, Ryan?
No.
Tita Joy, Tita Kay, and Tito Brian will go.
Why?
For braces adjustment and for cleaning.
They're gonna have braces.
No, Tita Kay have.
Yeah, it's okay, but
Tito Brian will do cleaning and Tita Joy.
oh.
And Maui also? Maui! Come on, let's go. Bye-bye na. Let's go bye-bye. Kanina pa yan siya, guys. Hindi mapakali. Gusto na niya gumala. Hala. Wait, close niyo doon. Let's go, let's go. Tito Ram is there. Come on. Hindi wala tapos magkape si tita. Tapos nag-aya ng lumayas. Yung aming guys, tubig guys. Drinking water. How many days already, baby? Did they not deliver?
3 days.
3 days. Kasi nga, di ba, holiday lang. Holiday. So, wala kaming tubig. I mean, meron naman. Bumili kami sa 7-Eleven. Pero alam nyo na ang mineral water mas mahal. Maui, are you ready to go? Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Kinuha na naman kayo, guys. Done?
Wrap me at the other side. I'll keep it
Which one?
the water.
No need, it's okay. Nagpa-load ng aming tubig si Ryan. We can recharge later once we come back, okay?
But I want to do it.
Yes, you do it, no problem. Put on your seatbelt.
Okay.
Ang traffic papuntang Davao. Bakit kaya? Usually walang traffic dito, pero hanggang dito ang traffic ngayon. Bye bye Maui! Going to vacation house!
Bye bye. See you later.
Happy man siya dito. Happy! Kain tayo. Ang daming food naman. O saan April?
Kuan, penang torta.
Tortang
Isda.
bulinaw. Is it bulinaw ba na siya? Fresh bulinaw. Siomai and ampalaya with egg. Kain na.
Okay na.
Oh, plastikan. Plastikan agad.
Ano nga to? Kamu ko.
Wala.
Banda mo.
Malingkit na sila. Malingkit.
Na lang.
Iyo.
Ha?
Malingkit.
Bigas na.
Kaya magkuhan ako mapabuhat raw kay ito.
Hindi na ID. Secret. Kaon pa. Bago mo kasi nila.
Nagidong mo.
Hindi makita sa vlog na.
Huwag mo ka nag-ilis inday.
Let's go na. Kumain ka na. Madams? Ako pinaglutuan.
Siya, murag nabuang. Isa pa lang ikabuk, nagbuto-buto na. Murag nagbuang. Yeah. Nagbuto-buto. Murag nagbuto, mati ka sarang gamay yan.
Siblings goals. Nagtatrabaho si Daddy Ram. Si Raya naman giving company sa kanyang daddy daw. So kami lang ang pupunta doon sa my clinic. What's happening here?
Papa.
Ha?
Huh?
Si Sikat si Papa Sexy. Dito siya magpakita, Brian. Ingnan si Papa akong Shopee ba?
For the vlog now.
Ingnan si Papa ba? Iyang t-shirt yan. Iyang t-shirt. Tabunan niya kay Sexy. Nga nasuwag ang pagod niya. Dito na kami guys. Ready ka na ba, Kay? Ay, ginoo ko daw. Come on na, let's vlog your journey. Braces journey. Come on, let's go na. Bye. Tuwa po siya, Brian. So may Amok ba? May pinuntahan kami ni Brian guys, pero hindi namin mahanap. Ikot-ikot muna kami. Baka may himod.
Baka coffee shop pa, ma'am.
Pero sabi niya, after that, magkakape daw kami. Coffee while waiting na matapos sila. Thank you, Brian. Bait talaga ng kapatid ko. Sikatawa ba? Dito na kami, guys, sa Nabo. Makuanday siya, no? Instagrammable. Cutesy.
Bali
Bali tea.
Indonesia.
May outdoor place sila pero mainit. Maganda dito pag gabi. Nice. Wow. Hi. Document natin yan na ikaw ang nagbayad. Oh, Gcash guys ha. Siya ang nagbayad guys.
Paluluti ko rin. Wala po dito.
Sana ito na lang ang in-order ko guys. Siya pala ang magbabayad. Dinamihan ko na lang sana. Joke lang. Sa taas ta? Mas nice. Sa taas kami. Thank you. Dito kami sa baba guys kasi mainit doon sa taas. Hey, morning hot, Ryle? Oh, dili ko hot because it's very hot na. Nakalimutan nila ang aming egg tart. Uy, in fair. Lami. Sarap. Thank you, Ryle. Ay, finally, thank you. Dan na. Umuna daw sila ate. Pogi na. Nagulat na masakyan. Nagpunta ako sa Mr. DIY and bumili ako ng mga ganito. Para sa aming house. Rugs. And then, pencil para kay Ryan. Then, pangtali ng buhok. That's it. Nia, pogi na ka. Oh. Grabe mo sa amin sa mukha. Let's go na. They are waiting. Bakit nasa Jollibee sila? Ha? May dala ba? Dan, sige smile daw ba? Wow! Beautiful naman yan. Nag-Jollibee mo? Ay, nagtambay na sa Jollibee.
Wala sila coffee, wala sila ice cream. So,
buti pa kami. Nag-coffee kami.
gusto ko magkape, basi ka ng cold good.
Ayaw, makarmahan kayo pagkape.
We are back! Ryan, I got something for you. You're asking, right? For a few days already? There's a birthday there in our neighbor. That's why there's music. Loud music. Welcome back, mother. From Davao.
No school today?
Vacation.
Vacation. Yeah, summer holidays already. Avocado. Palit avocado.
Kutsara.
Oo, nga dali.
May hapon.
May parcel na naman sila, guys. Parcel pa more, KK. Is it ready?
Actually, I bought one ready one.
Okay. Shall I get the spoon?
Yeah, you have to.
Okay. Lechon. Na-shock mo sa lechon mo. Yeah, you look so good now.
Remove the head.
You wanna try?
Give me
Huh? The
inside
skin?
part.
The skin?
No, it's too hard. It's too hard for me.
It's too hard? Okay. Oh my gosh, daming food. Makikain tayo. Thank you, KK. Eat pa more. Oh, lechon ni Papa, oh. Lechon ni Ryan. Akin skin lang. Ito yung gustong gawin ni Ryan kanina. Yung aming tubig, kailangan ganyan para ma-load. How much?
500.
500?
Yes.
500 and? Oh, 99 still. Okay, thank you very much. Come on. Careful. Boy, can you get the scissor maybe? Maliit lang yung aking biniling ganito guys. Kasi madaling laghan. Sila ate, nagpaiwan doon kina mama.
Saan?
Kasi medyo sumama yung kanyang pakiramdam. And at least makapagpahinga siya. Baka bukas pa or the next day yung kanilang balik ni Maui. Kaya tahimik dito sa bahay. You can put there and kitchen and the door area. So, yun nga, at least makapagpahinga siya. Then, maalagaan nila mama si Maui. Kasi, marami sila doon, diba? Tapos, kung andito sila, hindi namin ma-handle ni Ram si Maui. Tapos, hindi makapagpahinga si ate kasi, syempre, pupunta sa nanay niya. At least noon, malilibang. Maraming tao.
I keep the old one in the front door.
Yeah, okay Ryan. Thank you. Then, si Bryle, nandito kasi siya sa Davao. So, dadaan siya dito. Kunin niya yung mga gamit nila. Mga damit, mga water bottles, milk bottle ni Maui. Para madala doon sa bahay nila mama. Pumigin pala kami ng mga gulay doon sa panabo kanina. Pero umulan guys, so pinakas ng ulan. Kaya hindi na kami nakapag-vlog.
It's in the Brian Daddy.
Hello!
Oh, you?
How's your game? Did you won? Last time you lost
Which
also.
one? Are you the
guys.
spiker?
Yes,
Which one?
I'm the open spiker like
Wow!
Hinata. You know
Tito
Hinata?
Bryle is a spiker.
Play badminton na, bring me there.
Badminton daw, Bryle.
Oh, dito sa kuan naman sa Panabo.
Oh, there is in Panabo.
Panabo.
Daddy.
No, I mean someone playing, your friends are you playing
The
together?
top. It's the same thing like in your unit there in India.
Hyderabad.
Ah.
The same thing like 5 court.
What?
Anyone, your friends playing?
Huh?
Your friends or someone you playing?
Yeah. Also my friends are playing.
How about you, Bryle?
Yes,
Are you
I'm
playing
good.
also badminton?
Very
Yeah,
good.
So you,
No?
you know how I play, right? You think I can play with them?
Yeah.
I
Sure.
can play with them?
Yeah.
They won't believe me?
They also like me.
Okay.
Like level,
Not really.
not really expert. But before they are in high school, they are varsities. But also be in varsity before, but only like.
Please, one day we'll go. I will come to this.
Yeah.
I will
sure.
tell them also.
Bye, Tito Ram.
Oh, right.
Playing kiss. Yeah. He did not talk to me, baby. And he gave you flying kiss. Oh, sige na,
Bobby,
Bryle. Ay,
bye.
sige na, Bryle.
Bye guys.
Ghost na. Careful
Yung parking.
driving. Ay, late na.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow again.
When will you come down?
Gusto niyang gumawa ng egg, guys. Side up. For little, okay?
A little bit?
Yeah. How many egg you want?
2.
2.
Number 2. The 2 number 2.
Be careful. So, wala kaming maliit na pan. So, pagsabayin natin ang ano, 2 itlog.
New pan, right? You can, right?
Yeah.
You can.
Ito.
You can. You bought like a few weeks or 1 month ago, right?
Yes.
Not new pen. Because the other pen is not that nice, or you know.
Okay.
Cold. It's pretty cooled up.
Rice is ready. Crack. You can hold it. Oh, okay. Do you want to open it or should I help you?
Like I know. Slowly.
Go. Okay. Not perfect. But okay. Wash your hands. Ay!
It's aligned with the oil.
Yeah.
Look at the
We don't
yolk.
have the proper pan. It's okay.
Man, my one was all squished. Your one is like mine
Okay,
is like
so
2D. Your one is like 3D.
ready. Okay. Faster. Where are you putting the salt? At the center. Put at the egg. More, a little more. Just a little bit. You're spreading it at the center. Oh. Wash hands na. This is what happens when you eat early. I think 5 o'clock, 5:30. We ate dinner. So, gutom. Eating again. Kakain din yan ulit si Daddy Ram. Do you want egg, Daddy? Egg omelette or something?
No.
You will
Is it
have
two or one?
yogurt rice?
Yeah.
It's too hot also, Nana. Be careful. Just wait for a while.
2
It's
eggs.
2 and it's too hot. So, ayan guys, nakapag-freshen up na tayo, nakapag-skincare na, tahimik ang ating bahay kasi wala ang ating baby Maui, na na-miss namin agad. Lagi siyang lalakad-lakad dito guys, pag dito lang sa bahay. Yun yung na-miss namin agad sa kanya. And, mga te, gusto kong klaruhin ang isang bagay. Kasi talagang simula nung dumating kami dito sa Pilipinas ay sumusulpot na talaga sa every upload ko ang komentong ito. Hindi ko lang siya minsan pinapansin. Mostly dinidelete ko talaga siya kasi ayokong maging malaking issue pa makita ng ibang subscribers or may makapagpa-translate pa doon sa pamilya ni Ram at malaking gulo pa. Pero i-explain ko din sa kanila. And gusto ko nang linawin ngayon kung ano ba talaga ang katotohanan. So guys, dahil napakalaki ng age gap ko sa bunso namin, so marami sa inyo ang nag-iisip na anak ko siya sa pagkadalaga. Ganito kasi yan. Ako at saka yung ate ko, yung age gap namin is 1 year and 6 or 8 months lang ata. Then, sumunod yung aming lalaking kapatid na si Bryle. Yung gap namin ni Bryle is around 10 years. O, diba? Bongga pa family planning ni mama, papa. Then, kasi akala nila hindi na kami masusundan, ako at saka si ate. Then, dumating si Bryle kasi nga gusto nila ng lalaki. Naging story ang magkapatid na ito. Pagkatapos, nung nasa college na ako, isang araw, may paganon, sinabi na lang ni mama na nabuntis siya ulit. Ano na si mama nun? 40 plus na ata. Nasa college na ako nun, si ate nag-start ng magtrabaho. So, ganun talaga yung age gap namin ni Kay. Parang nasa 20-21 years ata. Ganun guys, sobrang layo. So, alam niyo na, hindi mo din masisisi ang iba na mag-isip na siguro anak ko siya sa nung pagdalaga ko. Kasi daw, yung resemblance namin, talagang magkamukha kami. Magkasing ganda at magkasing sexy din dati nung ako'y kabataan pa, charot. So, ganun guys, talagang nakikurious sila. Kasi nga, kaming magkakapatid, napakalayo talaga ng agwat guys. Pero, marami pong witness na yung mama ko po talaga ang nagbuntis at hindi ako. Ang aking pamangkin na si Ishi at saka yung aking bunsong kapatid na si KK ay almost magkaedad na. Pero yun po talaga ang totoong nangyari. Ang aking nag-iisang anak po ay si Ryan lang at hindi ko po anak yung aming bunsong babae na si KK. You need to freshen up na. Sleepy. But you need to freshen up first. Guys, how's Ryan's haircut, guys? Military cut. Super pogi. Okay, let's rest. Say bye to guys. Bye, guys.
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, ring the bell icon. Bye. See you bukas. Peace.